now I joined as a UST Global, which is a client for Intel. So now Intel is moving for this cloud computing everything. So I can say that as a success story, like which helps me to push from the senior software engineer to lead and a chance to work on the cloud computing.
Hi Ram, my first question to you is that tell me about yourself, your background, your skill set. Also, please tell me the course that you have taken from Intellipaat and from which place you belong to.
Sure, Rakesh. This is Ram Kumar, as you know. So I am basically a software engineer, which is I have around 11 plus years of experience. It's completely a web application development. Okay. So presently I'm working for UST Global, which is in Bangalore. Basically belongs to working in Bangalore locations only. So in Intellipaat I took AWS course, which is on August 2019, I believe. Okay. So this is about myself. So my skill set basically of C#, SQL Server, and ASP.NET with the MVC and Angular also.
I'm sorry. Okay, that's good. Moving to our next question. Can you please tell me what was your objective of the training?
So objective of my training will be like I want to move myself little upper, like next level, to go with an cloud computing, all those technologies, everything. So basically, in all of the companies, they started using the cloud technologies. So that is my objective to learn the training.
Okay. So talking about online platforms, Ram, there are like lots of online platforms available into the market. I hope you are aware of this, right? So why did you choose Intellipaat over all other platforms, and how did you hear about us?
I heard this name from the Google also. So I just gone through the review, but I have one of my colleague who has already took the courses in Intellipaat. So with his strong feedback, then I choose Intellipaat.
Okay.
So that satisfies me to join to Intellipaat. So I just take it.
That's good to know, right? To our next question, since you're the 2019 learner, you might have taken a couple of classes. You might have finished the course as well, right? So
Yes,
can you please tell me how was your experience with my mentors and instructors?
It was very nice. It's I mean, the word mentor itself, it's wrong. It's like a colleague, like how we will discuss in our offices. Like if I'm not knowing anything, so if I ask my colleagues, so how they will help me to understand. It's like that only. So though it's a like teacher kind of thing, like they use the whiteboard in the online screen, all those things. It's just a kind of an mentor, teacher, and student kind of thing. But apart from that, it's just like interaction section, like that.
To our next
It's
question.
not only for one thing, actually. For AWS itself, like a couple of trainer has been changed, so everyone is like that only. So I couldn't remember the instructor name, otherwise I could tell that name also.
Couple of instructors are there, right?
Yeah.
So no problem. To our next question, can you please tell me how was the quality of course material that was provided by Intellipaat to you?
It was good. It was very good, and it's easy to understand. Like I am completely new for this cloud technology. Okay, so that material, it was from the starting of basic itself, like from where we need to start. Like, even when I told like my colleague referred Intellipaat, so I asked many questions to him, like we are not new to this one, how that training, everything. But then he just told, you just join the course, everything will be there. So as he said, it was completely guided me, like how it is, all those things.
Can you please tell me about your success story in brief words?
I was a senior software engineer in a previous company, like a Dexel software engineer, Dexel designs in previous. So Now I joined as a UST Global, which is a client for Intel. So now Intel is moving for this cloud computing everything. So I can say that as a success story, like which helps me to push from the senior software engineer to lead and a chance to work on the cloud computing. So I can tell like I have completed my courses from so and so banner. So that helps me like
We're happy to hear that you're having
yeah.
good transition here. No problem.
Yes.
To our last and final question, how can you describe
Mhm.
Intellipaat in one sentence?
Intellipaat, we can be an intelligent. If
That's
you go
good.
inside, we will be an intelligent.
That's really good. Thank you so much, Ram. It was pleasure speaking with you.